Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum educarians. How are you? I know you are doing well and taking good care of yourself. Welcome in mathematics class, lesson number 2. The topic is unit number 1, sets. So dear students, I think before going to start lesson number 2, let's take a quick review of lesson number 1, sets review. Do you know what is meant by set? Yes, very good. I know you know very well. Dear students, a set is a collection of well-defined objects. In previous lesson, we have already discussed that well-defined means the set that has a specific property. The term well-defined means that there is no ambiguity about which object belongs to the set and which does not. For example, set A is equal to first 5 natural number is a well-defined set because everyone knows that the first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But dear students, set E is equal to favorite colors is not a set because dear students, your favorite color is different and my favorite color is different. So favorite colors are different for different people. Let's come to know how is a set represented. So dear students, I know you know very well about descriptive form. In descriptive form, when the set is described in word, in descriptive form हम set को describe करते हैं statement form में. For example, the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 written in descriptive form as A is equal to first 5 natural number. The second form is set builder form. Do you know what is meant by set builder form? Yes, very good. I know you know very well. When the property satisfied by the elements of the set are written as a rule, and the rule is x such that x. For example, A is equal to x such that x is a natural number and x less than 6. Similarly, set F is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word bubble. So dear student, the third form is tabular form, when the elements of the set are listed distinctly within a pair of curly brackets. In tabular form, dear students, हम set को represent करते हैं curly brackets में और separate करते हैं commas insert करके. Let's start our lesson number 2. Dear students, the material required for today's lesson is lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, ruler, glue pen, blue marker, mathematics textbook and mathematics notebook. Dear students, I hope all of you are having this material and get ready for today's lesson. Let's start. Unit number 1, sets. Dear students, the contents included in this lesson are types of sets, infinite set and finite set, disjoint set and overlapping set, equivalent set and equal set, and empty set. So let's have a look. Dear students, I hope by the end of this lesson you will be able to learn about types of set. You will be able to know what is finite and infinite set, what is disjoint and overlapping set. You will be able to know what is equal and equivalent set and what is empty set. So let's begin. So dear students, please open your mathematics textbook and come to page number 7. Write today's task, day and date on your textbook. Let's start our next topic, types of sets. Here is a quick look at the different types of sets. The first type is empty set. Dear students, do you know what is meant by empty? Yes, very good. I know you know very well. A set containing no element. Empty set हमारे पास ऐसा सेट है जिसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं होता. It is denoted by the empty curly brackets. For example, set B is equal to integers between 0 and 1. Dear students, you know very well हमारे पास 0 और 1 के दरमियान में कोई भी integers मीन कोई भी नंबर नहीं होता. So this is the example of empty set. Let's come to know about finite set. Dear students, a set containing only a fixed number of elements. Finite set हमारे पास ऐसा सेट है जिसकी एलिमेंट्स लिमिटेड होती हैं, यानी ऐसा सेट जिसकी एलिमेंट्स खत्म हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, set C is equal to x such that x is a square number x less than 20. The square number less than 20 are C is equal to 1, 4, 9 and 16. So in this set there are only 4 elements. So this set is countable. हमारे पास इस सेट में एलिमेंट्स खत्म हो रही हैं. So this is the example of finite set. Let's come to know about infinite set. A set which is not finite is called infinite set. Dear students, infinite set हमारे पास ऐसा सेट है जिसकी एलिमेंट्स अनकाउंटेबल हैं, अनलिमिटेड हैं, यानी ऐसा सेट जिसकी एलिमेंट्स कभी भी खत्म नहीं होते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, D is equal to x such that x is an integer x greater than 10. They are asking the numbers greater than 10. So the numbers greater than 10 are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. Dear student, this is the example of infinite set because हमारे पास numbers greater than 10 कभी भी खत्म नहीं हो सकते. Let's come to know about disjoint set. The sets which have no common element between them. Dear students, disjoint sets ऐसे sets हैं जिसमें कोई भी element common means कोई भी element एक जैसा नहीं होता. For example, set E is equal to 2, 3, 4 and set F is equal to 5, 6, 7. In both these sets there is no common elements. इन दोनों सेट में हमारे पास कोई भी एलिमेंट एक जैसा नहीं है. Highlight the main points on your textbook. Let's come to know about overlapping sets. Dear students, sets which have at least one common element between them. Overlapping sets हमारे पास ऐसे sets हैं जिसमें at least one element common means same आ सकता है. For example, set G is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set H is equal to 2, 3, 4. Dear students, in both these set element 3 is common. So this is the example of overlapping set. Let's come to know about equivalent set. So dear students, do you know what is meant by equivalent set? Yes, very good. I know you know very well. The sets which have equal number of elements. ऐसे sets जिसमें एलिमेंट की तादाद इक्वल हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेट J is equal to 1, 4, 6 and set K is equal to A, B, C. Both sets have the same number of elements. Set J having 3 elements and set K having 3 elements. So set J and K have the same number of elements. Let's come to know about equal sets. Sets which contains the same elements. Dear students, equal sets हमारे पास ऐसे sets हैं जिसकी elements same हो. For example, L is equal to 2, 4, 6 and M is equal to X such that X is a positive multiple of 2, X less than 7. Dear students, set M is given in set builder form. So the positive multiple of 2 less than 7 are 2, 4 and 6. So both these sets have same elements. Here's another example of equal set. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 3, 2, 1. Both these sets have same elements. Highlight the main points on your textbook. So dear students, it's time to start our notebook work. Please open your mathematics notebook and write today's index. Unit number 1, sets. Exercise number 1A, question number 3 and 4. Write today's task, day and date on your notebook. The topic is unit number 1, sets. Exercise number 1A. Let's start question number 3. Write the sets below in descriptive form and set builder form. Let's start part B of question number 3. Set B is equal to Tuesday and Thursday. So dear students, first of all, write the answer in descriptive form. I know you know very well about descriptive form, that in descriptive form the set is described by the statement. So dear students, Tuesday and Thursday are the name of days of weeks. So the answer is set B is equal to name of days of week starting with letter T. Let's write answer in set builder form. Do you know what is meant by set builder form? Yes, very good. You know very well. In set builder form, the set is expressed in the form of a rule. So the answer is set B is equal to X such that X is a day whose name starts with letter T. Let's start part C of question number 3. Set C is equal to red, amber, green. Dear students, first of all look at the word amber. The amber means yellow color. So these are the colors of traffic lights. First of all, write the answer in descriptive form. The answer is C is equal to colors of the lights in a traffic signal. Let's write answer in set builder form. Set C is equal to X such that X is a color of the lights in a traffic signal. Okay dear student, let's start question number 4. Classify the following sets as empty, not empty or finite and infinite. Come to the part A of question number 4. Set A is equal to men with good set of teeth. Dear student, the answer is this set is non-empty and infinite set. Dear students, हमारे पास ये सेट नॉन एम्प्टी है बिकॉज हमें सेट में गुड सेट ऑफ टीथ तो मिल रहे हैं बट दिस सेट इज इनफिनिट सेट बिकॉज dear students, they are not asking the good set of teeth of some specific persons. They are asking the good set of teeth of all the men. So it's impossible for us to find the good set of teeth of all the men. That's why, dear student, this set is infinite set. Let's start part D of question number 4. Set D is equal to prime factors of 357. Dear students, do you know what is meant by prime numbers? Yes, very good. You know very well. The numbers which can be divided by 1 and itself. Dear students, before writing the answer, we have to find the prime factors of 357. Dear students, with the help of HCF, we can find the prime factors of 357. Look at the rough work. 357 can be divided by 3. Dear students, this number can't be divided by 2 because 357 is an odd number. So the answer is 119. Now, dear students, 119 can be divided by 7 and the answer is 17. Now, dear students, 17 is a prime number. It can be divided by 1 and itself. So, the answer is 17 ones are 17. Now, dear students, we got 3 prime factors of 357. And the factors are 3, 7 and 17. So, the answer is, this set is non-empty and finite set. Dear students, with the help of these slides, solve question number 3 and 4 on your notebook. So dear students, I hope today's topics are now clear and you got each and every point. It's time to write task to do. The task to do for you is learn highlighted points of page number 7. Do homework of exercise number 1A, question number 3, part A, question number 4, part B on your notebook. I hope the task to do must be done in a very neat and presentable manner. So dear students, best of luck for your home task. Allah Hafiz.